Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Saeco Gran Barista Avanti with us in the shop, and I came in because there was a lot of issues with the water circuit in this machine. Pretty much water flow from your water tank all the way to brewing. At some point there was a lot of clogging, which was resolved through a tune-up. Pretty much a tune-up on this machine is we opened the door, removed the whole brew unit, soaked it, made sure that it was fully clean, replaced all the gaskets on the upper valve, and then also replaced the gaskets on the water valve up there and put it back together. Did descaling, did cleaning, cleaned the spouts out, soaking them, making sure to not mess up anything. And after cleaning, it seems to be working all well. And so now we're just going to try espresso. I did put some coffee in there, so it should be going well. Now grinding is going to move the brew position into a position to start brewing. Alright, my clip's sticking a little bit. And there's a coffee for you. So before, a lot of that water was escaping through the brew unit because that gasket that was in the brew unit, I think I still have it here, as you can see. This is how it came out of the machine, period. I didn't actually break it or anything, but you can see a lot of it was just eaten up of the gasket. And so you just really needed some more gaskets, or replace the gaskets on these machines. And all that water was just leaking out through the side, going into your drip tray, and not going to the front. Plus, the spouts were clogged partially, and the water valve that's right next to your top brew unit, if you were to look inside and look up, that leaks a lot of water too if the gaskets start to wear out. But yeah, there's that coffee for you. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.